SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change back tap on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. There's a feature on your iPhone 15 where you can double tap or triple tap on the back of the phone and it will cause a certain action to occur. But when you set this up previously, you may have chosen something that you end up not using very often and you would like to switch it to something else. You can change the back tap setting by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the accessibility option from this menu. And then you can scroll down again and choose the touch option in the physical and motor section of this menu. Now you need to scroll all the way to the bottom of this screen where you're going to find the back tap option. Now here you should see whichever back tap setting you had chosen for whichever tap option you wanted. So if you want to switch something that's currently set, then you can choose the tapping option that you had previously selected. And then you can scroll through the list of different options that are available for you to use when you activate that option with back tap. So for example, mine was previously set to camera, but if I wanted to switch it to flashlight, then I could choose that instead. If you don't want to use the back tap setting at all, then you could just choose none at the top of this menu, and then back tap's going to be turned off for whichever double tap or triple tap option you're currently in. Now if you go back, or if you tap back tap at the top left of this screen, it's going to take you back to this screen, and you could also choose to configure something for the alternate tap option here, or if you're done, then you could just exit out of this menu and you'll be able to use the back tap feature with the new setting that you just chose.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.